Let's talk about Texas Instruments, the chip maker, also sliding in pre-market here. It's down 4.4%. After giving weak guidance for the current quarter. It did, like Microsoft, beat last quarter in terms of its earnings, citing slowing demand across the board, including the industrial sector. Texas Instruments went on to say the only place it is seeing strength is in car manufacturing. Remember, TI is a different kind of chip maker. It's an analog chip maker. It goes into a broad range of different kinds of products here, so can be a bit of an economic bellwether here. At the same time, the company saw a big increase in inventories, but its inventories are sort of more flexible, more nimble than some of the other chip makers we talked about. So they didn't flag that as a cause for alarm. Still, one really interesting thing that stuck out to me, the CFO saying it's impossible to say whether the current decline in demand is sort of an inventory correction or deeper concern about the economy. And that's really telling. The tone, to your point, Saz, about what we're hearing from companies is important.
Yeah, with Texas Instruments, I mean, I love to think about them as my own kind of anecdotal experience with the TI-83 Plus calculator growing up. But yeah, then you start to remember that this is a company that also has chips that can go into everything from how you're powering your in-vehicle experience and, you know, from one kind of segment of the business to another that is looking for other opportunities to continue to grow out that demand within the chip segment that's seeing so much investment. I think this $3.3 billion that they've already invested into R&D over the past 12 months is extremely significant, and just revving up what that capacity could look like, how they continue to service an automotive landscape as well as other segments and sectors that are going to need some type of chip solution or semiconductor solution from Texas Instruments.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to results out of some of these PC makers, Dell, you name it, because you had some, again, Microsoft Week, Texas Instruments earnings call, no indication that there really is any improvement in the macro environment. I would argue they suggest that things are about to get worse, so that can be a whole bunch of ugly quarters from the PC makers.